I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to find out if Rogers has coverage in your area, follow these steps to check the coverage map for 2026. Step 1. Visit the Rogers website. Open your web browser and go to the official Rogers website. This is where you'll find the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding coverage. Step 2. Navigate to the coverage section. Look for the coverage or network section on the website. This is usually found in the main menu or footer of the page. Step 3. Enter your location. Once you're in the coverage section, enter your address or postal code in the search bar provided. This will help you find specific coverage information for your area. Step 4. View the coverage map. After entering your location, the coverage map will display. You can zoom in and out to see the coverage details for different areas. Pay attention to the color codes that indicate coverage quality. Step 5. Check for updates. Coverage maps can change, so it is a good idea to check back periodically or sign up for notifications if available. Sometimes areas may have limited coverage that isn't immediately obvious. If you run into any issues, make sure your browser is updated or try clearing your cache. Happy browsing!